Thanks for coming with me today. I know, it's the middle of summer, it's blue skies. What in the world am I thinking? Trying to get some pictures taken today. But we're out on a new trail together, and I'm hopeful that on this day, there'll be something up here. So let's get going. Hey, we made it. It's a pretty difficult trail for me, honestly. I'm not yet in great shape, but I'm getting there. So I've had a few minutes to sit up here on the top of the sledge and kind of look out over this gorgeous valley in front of me that I'm going to show you in just a second. Been trying to think about how to capture just kind of how gorgeous it is. Even here in the middle of summer, blue sky day, looking directly into the sun. I've had some ideas. We'll see here in a minute. I'll get the camera out. So yeah, let's go take a look at what's down here behind me, though, or behind you, actually, in front of me. Just kind of being a little careful. It's a little bit of a ledge here. So this is the valley I was talking about. You can see here, I gotta be careful not to get the sun in. So this is the middle fork of the Snoqualmie River Valley, or actually in the Snoqualmie-Baker National Forest now. So seen a few things that might frame up. Right through here, a series of mountains, and you know, with the haze in the sky and stuff, it just kind of naturally graduates away and looks kind of awesome. I've also been eyeing down here on the valley floor. There's just a bunch of trees of different colors of green, some dark greens and some light greens. Not really a subject, so it's been a little hard to think about, but the light kind of captured my eyes. So I'm gonna sit here a little bit longer, probably get the camera out. Not gonna not take a photo once I got up here. And once I do get it set up and kind of have composed the shot, I'll bring you back. Okay, so I wanted to just show you the first photo. It's right through these mountains right here. Trying to just kind of capture the outline, the texture of the haze, of the sunny day. I think it might make a good black and white. So I'm gonna go take that photo and then I'll put it up here. After panning around, I noticed the high clouds, so decided to take one more wide-angle shot. I didn't get to show the setup, but here's that photo now. As I head back down after being up on the ledge and taking those photos, which I hope you enjoyed, I can't help but think that this disdain for summer photography is just misplaced. Here I am, I'm outside, it's a gorgeous day, it's blue sky, some high clouds, got a couple photos. They're not great photos, but you know, they recorded the journey, and that's a lot of what matters. So I just really encourage you to do the same. Just get out there, make some photos, be creative in your own way, and let others know about your work. So with that, I think I'll sign off for today. I want to remind everybody those photos that I showed are available under Creative Commons license, so they're free for you to download and do several things with, including reuse, republish, as long as you follow some of the rules that are in that license. So all the details are below in the link to my blog on how to get those photos and a little bit about the license that they're under. If you like this video, really appreciate if you hit the like button. Let me know. If you got any questions, leave them in the comments below. Helps me improve. If you want to see more of me, really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button. Turn that little bell on so you can see the new videos as they come out. So I think that's going to be it for today. Thanks for joining me, and bye for now.